Hello, third graders. Today we're going to be learning to tell time again. This time our learning target is slightly different. It is, I can use and understand appropriate words and phrases when telling time. Some of the phrases you'll be learning about today are o'clock, half past, quarter after or quarter past, quarter to or quarter till, and blank minutes after or blank minutes to. We use the word o'clock to say a time when the minute hand points to the 12. Since it is 0 minutes past the hour, we don't have to say any minutes to say. For example, looking at this clock here, the minute hand is pointing to the 12. It has not yet passed the 6 o'clock hour. So we would just say 6 o'clock, or we would write 6:00. Again, looking at this clock, the minute hand is 0 minutes past the hour. We would write 5 o'clock, or we would say 5 o'clock. On the third clock, we have our minute hand pointing to the 12 again, and our hour hand is right on the 9. The time here is 9 o'clock. We can split the clock into 2 equal pieces by drawing a line down from the 12. When we do this, we can see that if we start at 12, halfway around the clock is 6. Half an hour is 30 minutes. Think about the fraction circles we used in class. A clock face is like a circle. You can split it into halves. A whole hour has 60 minutes. A half an hour is 30 minutes. When it is 30 minutes past the hour, we can say that it is half past that hour. For example, looking at this clock, the minute hand divides the clock in half. It's 30 minutes after 3. We would say this time as 3:30, or some might say half past 3. Looking at the next clock, again, our minute hand is at the 6. It divides the clock directly in half. This time is 9:30, or half past 9. On the third clock, what time do you think it is? Can you say it in 2 different ways using the term half past? The time is 1:30. Another way to say it would be half past 1. If we take the clock we split in half and split it in half the other way, we have 4 pieces, or quarters. Each quarter has 15 minutes. There are 4 quarters in an hour. 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 equals 60 minutes. You can also split an hour into 4 equal parts. Instead of naming each part a fourth, we usually call it a quarter of an hour. When the minute hand points at the 3, it is quarter after the hour. You can also say quarter past the hour. For example, on this clock, the minute hand is pointing at the 3. It is 5, 10, 15 minutes past 10. Or, remember when we divided our clock into fourths, this would be a quarter. So you could say 10:15 is the time shown on the clock, or you might hear someone say quarter after 10 or quarter past 10. Looking at the next clock, again the minute hand is pointing to the 3. The time on this clock is 9:15, or you might hear someone say quarter after 9 or quarter past 9. Looking at the third clock, can you tell the time using the phrase quarter after or quarter past? The time shown on this clock is 3:15, or you could say quarter after 3 or quarter past 3. When the minute hand has moved to the 9, it is 45 minutes past the hour. We say it is a quarter to or quarter till the next hour. Remember, 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour, so 3/4 of an hour would be 45 minutes. The time shown on this clock is 7:45. The hour hand is not quite to the 8 o'clock yet, and the minute hand is pointing directly at the 9. We would say 7:45, or we could say a quarter to 8 or a quarter till 8. Looking at the next clock, again, our minute hand is pointing directly at the 9. We know it's going to be a quarter till the next hour. This hour hand is not yet to the 3, so it's going to be a quarter until the next hour, 3 o'clock. The time shown on this clock is 2:45, or quarter to 3, or quarter till 3. Take a look at the third clock. Can you tell the time on the clock using the phrase quarter to or quarter till? The time shown on this clock is 12:45, or quarter to 1, or quarter till 1. Another way to tell time is minutes after the hour. Sometimes we say the minutes after the hour first. For example, looking at this clock, we can tell that it's 6:25. But some people might say the minutes after the hour, 25 minutes after 6. 6:25 is the same thing as 25 minutes after 6. We would write the time on this clock as 8:10. Or some people might say 10 minutes after 8. Can you look at the third clock and tell the time on the clock using the words minutes after? Great job, third graders. The time on the clock is 11:05, or 5 minutes after 11. Once we pass the half-hour mark, we start counting minutes until the next hour. For example, instead of saying 10:40, one might say 20 minutes to 11. Remember, there are 60 minutes in an hour, so in order to calculate minutes, you should subtract from 60. For example, the time shown on this clock is 11:55. Not quite 12 o'clock yet. I take the number of minutes in an hour, 60, and subtract 55. That leaves 5 minutes until the next hour. Some people might call this time 5 minutes to 12. Looking at the next clock, the time shown on the clock is 9:40. We would need to take our total minutes of hours and subtract the 40 to find out how many minutes until the next hour. Or we could count up on the clock by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. The time shown on the clock is 9:40. 60 minus 40 is 20. Or some might say 20 minutes to 10. Look at the last clock. Can you tell the time on the clock using the words minutes to? The time shown on this clock is 5:35. 60 minutes minus the 35 minutes that have passed leaves 25 minutes until the next hour. Or you could have counted on the clock. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Somebody might say that this time is 25 minutes to 6. Let's do some practice together. Read the time phrase and then write the time in standard form. Number 1, 5 o'clock. It's written 5:00. Number 2, 3:30. Is 3:30. Number 3, 7:15. What time on the clock in standard form would 7:15 be? 7:15. 1:45. What is that time in standard form? 12:45. Looking at number 5, 10 to 8, or 10 minutes to 8. What is that in standard form? 7:50. Number 6, 20 after 8. What is that time in standard form? 8:20. Number 7. Think about this time, 8:45. What would that be in standard form? 8:45. 11 o'clock, written in standard form, is 11:00. 11 o'clock. Number 9, 5 after 5. What would that be in standard form? 5:05. 5 minutes after 5. Looking at number 10, 20 to 12. 20 minutes to 12. Remember, friends, when it's minutes to, we can take this number and subtract it from 60 to find out how many minutes past 12 it is. That time in standard form is 11:40. 11:15. In standard form is 11:15. 10:30, written in standard form, is 10:30. Good luck, third graders, today on your practice telling time using time phrases.